I'm the practice administrator for Rock Hill GYN and OB, and we have 9 providers in our practice. And we used to coddle people and beg and plead and call them and write letters to them, and had very little success with that, frankly. So we're looking for a solution to our collection problems. Well, what I found was when we would turn the account over to the collection agency, they frequently would expend very little effort getting the bill collected. And when I was introduced to TransWorld, for a much smaller fee, I could get essentially the same return. And I was very happy with it. And that's the best part of it. It gets the message to them that we're serious, we want the bill collected, but it's not a harassment, it's not a heavy-handed thing, it doesn't embarrass them. The best part for me is I haven't really lost the account. It's still in my AR, it's still our office that collects the money, and so we keep it in-house, and it feels better for us and for the patients that way. I only have one person in my office who handles patient accounts, and she's a very busy person. And so she loves it because it's just a system and it works. It's just, it's a flow for accounts receivable, and it's really an amazing thing. I can't imagine why people wouldn't do it. I might say that last year our practice was recognized by MGMA benchmarking as a best performing practice in accounts receivable, and I attribute a lot of that to our TransWorld. The company has their act together. It works, it's smooth. I couldn't tell you that our representative is just fabulous. Very professional. If I ever have any glitches, he's right there. And it's just a great company to work with. A great company to work with. I just don't ever worry about that.